Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to my second official devlog. So like, comment, sub, all of that, and yeah, let's get into the video. So I made it possible for the enemy to die, and I made a testing feature where you could make the enemy stop following at a certain distance. And there was a big problem with the potion stand where if you change the screen resolution, the UI would be off of the screen. I made it so it would always be at the top left corner, which took a while to figure out, but I just anchored it to top left corner of the screen.
And there were a couple of glitches where, so basically when you move, the player flips, but the goblin keeps on looking right instead of where the player is. And the other glitch was,
you could basically just do this. The player flipping problem was because when I originally made the player's art, I drew him like at a corner, so when he flips he would go to the other side and there would be a big gap. So basically the player would move when you flip. I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah. Most of Monday was just spent editing and uploading the video, which was the last devlog, and by the end of the day I had the enemy rotation problem fixed. I made a player health system, and there was a problem where when the player died, it destroyed the game object and it gave me a whole lot of errors, so I needed to make a respawn system instead of just destroying the game object. It took a really long time for some reason, and eventually I got it to work. Oh, and it should be working now. Alright, yeah, there. So the reason why I didn't fix the player flipping problem was because I had to redo all the animations if I fixed it, and I was too lazy, so I just finished that problem off. I moved some things around in Trello and made art for the hospital, which was basically the potion stand, but I deleted the potion, and yeah, it's basically the same thing but with a different symbol. I imported the hospital and made the UI that was basically the same exact thing as the mana potion, but with different sprites. I made a checking system to see if you can afford items, so the lowest amount of money you could go was 0. I made the camera stop at the end of the screen, moved some things around in Trello, and made some more tasks, and that was the end of the day. So I didn't do much Wednesday. I just made a particle system for when the bullet collides with something, which looked like this, and that was the end of the day. So Thursday I made a blast attack, which was basically just a bomb but without the effects and explosion, but there were a lot of problems with it and I just needed to fix it up a little. So I made a cooldown time for the shooting and the blast attack, and I fixed some of the animations. But there was a problem with the enemy health and its colliders on its feet. So I fixed the enemy health, and I don't know how I did it, but I did it, I guess. I made some sprites for the blast attack in Photoshop. done is a day and night cycle, so it's basically just 2 lights rotating around the whole scene. There was a glitch with the controls of the player, which makes sense because I used a really old script and I eventually just changed the whole control system. So yeah, that was it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any advice or anything to say, just leave them in the comments. I'd appreciate any support that you could give. So basically, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, I didn't work on Wizard that much because I just didn't want to do it. So I'm gonna be taking a break and uploading some different kind of content. Still gonna be game dev in Unity, but not Wizard. But yeah, I'm gonna be joining the Ben Bonk game jam, so I might do a video on that. But anyways, thanks for watching. Sub, comment, all that, and yeah, I'm gonna see you guys next time.